Boy, it's soaked out today. Rained more again all night last night. Yeah, it's just a mess, but not raining now and broke the ice for today. I had a spot where I don't find a lot of sheds too, right here, the fence crossing. Don't have permission on the other side, but that's good because the antler's on this side. Nice to see his other one laying right here. It's not a bad one. Pretty good base on him. That's a nice antler. Sweet. Changed up spots. I haven't looked here in years. Never did any good before, but I kind of changed up my looking a little bit since I've been here. But as you can see, it's pretty gnarly. We got one. That's what I like to see. We're really closing in on 100 here. Looks like an alright antler too. Not a giant. Happy with it. Yeah, it's not that big. Right there, and maybe his pile of crap, huh?